Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. I am going to work on the Caroline Craft Tree CCT 52 monthly, the monthly challenge. This is for March, so I'm going to get busy and do our tag. This is our monthly tag challenge to go with our book. So I went to her site and printed out her tag digital that she had, and I'm going to get busy decorating it. I fussy cutted the stuff, and I'm going to get busy decorating and putting it down. So I'm just going to fast forward a little bit and get her done. Okay, the video cut off, but I finished it up, and here it is. Here's our tag. You know we're hinging them, so it has a little pocket here. Has a little pocket there. Then you flip it over, and it's got this one. It opens up, and it's got the inside. Okay, that's our tag. Bye.